In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from CoinStats to bank account. Before we begin, a quick heads up. CoinStats is a portfolio tracker. The process you'll see records a transfer in your dashboard so your balances and performance stay accurate. The actual cash out to your bank is done on your exchange or wallet. Here, you're mirroring that move inside CoinStats for clean tracking. Open your browser and go to CoinStats app. From the homepage, choose Portfolio Tracker to open your dashboard. This is the command center where your connected wallets, exchanges, and custom portfolios are organized, and where you'll log the change. Click Add Transaction to open the editor. Start by selecting the coin you're moving out. Use the search to find the exact asset and be precise. Pick the correct ticker and network so your quantity and pricing line up with the real-world transfer you made. Set the transaction type to transfer. You're not recording a buy or a sell here, you're documenting a movement between two places you track. In that same window, make sure you're on portfolio so CoinStats knows you're shifting assets between portfolios, not logging a market trade. Now, choose Transferred From. Select the wallet or exchange portfolio where the crypto actually left. Next, choose Transferred To. Pick the destination portfolio that represents your bank or fiat holdings. Many users create a cash or bank portfolio in CoinStats to reflect money that's been withdrawn. Selecting it will increase your cash balance while decreasing the crypto balance, keeping totals consistent across the app. Clear naming helps here. If you have multiple cash destinations, pick the one that matches the real account to avoid confusion later. Enter the quantity you moved. Match the exact amount that left your wallet or exchange, down to the decimals if needed. If the form provides optional fields for fees, price, date, or notes, fill them in for better accuracy. Using the actual transfer date helps keep performance, cost basis, and reports correct. Adding a brief note, like a withdrawal reference, can make reconciliation easier. When everything looks right, click Save. Your dashboard will immediately reflect a decrease in the source portfolio and an increase in the destination cash or bank portfolio, keeping your analytics and totals aligned. To wrap up, you've documented a bank withdrawal inside CoinStats so your tracking mirrors reality. If you use API or wallet autosync, avoid double entries by logging the move only once. Periodically reconcile amounts and dates against your statements to ensure accuracy, and you're all set.